Hey guys, RJ here with another little quick update vid. This time it's Hot Wheels. Yeah, alright. This is one of my favorite ones here. Cool. Yeah, hard to find that one. If you see this one, let me know. Alright, there's one that's not a Hot Wheel, but hey, it's a classic. There is the actual Matchbox Lotus from 1965, I think, or so. Okay, this is what I've been up to with Hot Wheels. These guys are in the shop here. I've been drilling these and redoing them. Just some basic wheel swaps on those guys. Wheel swap on there. Put a different motor in that guy there. These guys here are those other little cars you get at the big box of them. Excuse me. And put Hot Wheel wheels on them. Yeah, those are cool. Alright. There's a kind of a retro redo on a newer Mustang from Hot Wheels. Anyway, let's take a look at the rest of this Lucy collection I got here, just sitting out today. Some nice ones. Share them with you guys quick here. Alright. Oh yeah, let's see, that was one of my drills and repaint too. Okay, there we go. Some pretty cars. Hawaiian rail, that's a nice one. Kenworth Aerodynes, those are always nice. Cool trucks. Yeah, conventional cab over bolts there. Little wheelies. Thank you, Sam. That's sweet. Right, head down here and take a look at the rest of these. Right, got that collection of those from the cereal. You guys probably remember those. Alright, across. Special issue red line. Right, up here, hey, it's Rigger Motor. The original issue of it, I think. That's a nice car. Alright, head down here. Yeah. Right. That's a cool bone shaker. Thanks, Dave. Right. That's a nice little Mustang. Thanks, Marianne. I like that old Johnny Lightning Mustang. That is a sweet one. Alright, heading across here. Anglia panel trucks. Those are sweet. Henry J. Yeah. The Fiat. Right. Rat rods. Right. Last little row here. Jaguar D-types. Those are nice. Porsche 356. Yeah. That Viper is cool. Here we go, there's an original Flying Colors issue of, I think it's the large charge, next to another large charge from that other issue of those. Right, Mopar, the Hemikutas, those are sweet. Yeah. Right, and over to the Batmobile, and the big old timey 50s bus. And I guess we'll get out of here, you guys. Okay. Glad I could make a video quick, and hope y'all are well, and thanks for tuning in to mine and video here, and alright, check y'all later. Happy Tuesday.